Hello friends, let's crack together upcoming UGC NET exam 2021 just in first attempt. I have qualified my Maharashtra SET 2020 and UGC NET 2020 exams in first attempt. It's not impossible for you to crack in first attempt. Just clear all the concepts according to the syllabus and solve all the previous year papers for both the paper 1 and paper 2. Here I am going to discuss UGC NET June 2014 question paper for paper 1 with you, okay, for only you. In that years up to 2014-15, there are total 60 questions in paper 1, okay. We have to solve any 50 questions, which is maximum answers. So now what happened? There are total 50 questions, 2017, 18, 19, 20, and we have to solve compulsory all the questions. So let's start for the first question. Here, first question is what? Breakdown in a verbal communication is called as. Okay, what is verbal communication? If A and B are communicating with each other, A ने B से कुछ कहा, B ने A से कुछ कहा, मीन्स बोलने के लिए जो वर्ड्स का यूज किया जा रहा है, दैट इज वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन. एंड ब्रेकडाउन मीन्स ए ने बी से कुछ कहा लेकिन बी प्रेडिक्ट नहीं कर पा रहा है कि ए ने क्या कहा या ए क्या कहना चाहता है, वो समझ नहीं पा रहा है ए को. दैट इज इट्स अनप्रेडिक्टेबल इंफॉर्मेशन फॉर बी एंड दैट अनप्रेडिक्टेबल इंफॉर्मेशन इज नोन एज ए एंट्रोपी. Okay, so option D is correct for question number 1. Question number 2, the telephone model. Okay, what is telephone model? Telephone model is nothing but it is used to send the message between sender and receiver. It is mainly designed to send the messages, okay, using radio and telephone technologies. It is used for the information theory. It is developed in the area of information theory, means to send the information from sender to receiver. Option D is correct here for question number 2. Question number 3, the Dadasaheb Phalke Award, okay, in 2013 was conferred on Gulzar. Who is Gulzar? Popular Indian poet, writer, okay. So option D is correct here. Next, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, फोटोग्राफ्स आर नॉट इजी टू. ओके, बहुत सारे ऐसे फिल्में होते हैं जिसमें हम देखते हैं कि कोई सीक्रेट टेक्निक यूज की जाती है, जो टेररिज्म के मूवीज होती है या कोई डिजिटल वर्ल्ड की मूवीज होती है. उनमें क्या किया जाता है कि जब सेंडर को रिसीवर के पास कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन भेजनी है, अगर वो कॉन्फिडेंशियल इन्फॉर्मेशन है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन है, तो क्या करते हैं, सेंडर वो इन्फॉर्मेशन किसी टेक्निक का यूज करके उसको एन्क्रिप्ट करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यूजिंग फोटोग्राफ्स. इन दैट फोटोग्राफ्स large amount of the information is stored, but it is in the form of the numbers, digit, pictorial format. अगर वो फोटो किसी को थर्ड पार्टी को मिल जाती है तो वो उसको क्या डिकोड नहीं कर पाते. मीन्स फोटोग्राफ्स आर नॉट इजी टू डिकोड. ओनली सेंडर एंड रिसीवर नो अबाउट दैट. सो photographs are easy to publish, secure, change, but not easy to decode. So option C is correct here for question number 4. Question number 5, the grains that appear on television set when operated are also referred to as. What is grains? जब हमें टीवी देख रहे होते हैं और कोई मूवी देखते हैं, उस दौरान अगर बीच में मूवी गायब होके कोई लाइंस आती है, कोई डॉट्स आते हैं, it is also called as a snow. Okay, so option C is correct here, dots or snow. It is nothing but the result of electromagnetic noise and electronic noise accidentally picked up by the camera. Okay, so option C is correct for question number 5. Next, question number 6, in a circular communication. What is circular communication? If there is a communication between sender and receiver. Sender sends the information to receiver, receiver sends feedback to sender, again this information, again this. That is called as a circular communication. In this circular communication, the encoder becomes decoder when there is. Means जब encoder decoder बन जाता है, कब बन जाता है? अगर सेंडर ने कुछ information भेजी तो उसको encoding करना पड़ता है. रिसीवर को कुछ रीड करना है या मैसेज यूज करना है तो डिकोडिंग करना पड़ता है. जब रिसीवर अगेन फीडबैक भेजता है तो ये क्या होगा, यहाँ एनकोडिंग, यहाँ डिकोडिंग. मतलब ये प्रोसेस चलती रहती है। व्हेन जब सेंडर कोई इंफॉर्मेशन भेजता है, रिसीवर उसको फीडबैक भेजता है, अगेन सेंडर फीडबैक भेजता है, दैट इज इफ देयर इज अ फीडबैक देन एनकोडर becomes decoder here. So option D is correct here for question number 6. Next, question number 7. In a post office, stamps of 3 different denominations, that is 7, 8 and 10 are available. The exact amount for which one cannot buy stamps is, means ऐसी कौन सी अमाउंट है उसके लिए हम स्टैम्प्स बाय नहीं कर सकते। मीन्स हमें सिर्फ ये देखना है जो ऑप्शन में दिए गए नंबर है इसको बनाने के लिए 7, 8, 10 का यूज होगा या नहीं। सो यहाँ जो बी ऑप्शन है, व्हाट इज योर 20, इट्स पॉसिबल टू मेक दिस अमाउंट ओनली 10 + 10। ओके, सिर्फ ये तीनों नंबर यूज करने हैं और ये नंबर बनते हैं या नहीं ये चेक करना है। 29 के लिए इट इज पॉसिबल, 7 + 7 + 8, 21 + 8 इज 29। नेक्स्ट ईयर 23, 8 + 8 16, 16 + 7 इज 23। नाउ 19, for 19 के लिए 10 + 10 20 not possible, 8 + 7 15 not possible, 10 + 8 10 + 7 not possible. So option A is correct here. The exact amount for which one cannot buy stamps using these 3 denomination is 19. So option A is correct here. Next, question number 8. What is the question here? In this question, it is a question of coding and decoding. Some pattern is described using these 2 words. For word question is encoded as domestic. Okay, in this coding, what is the code for the given word response? Now here, every time exam this type of the question must ask. Okay, in this type of the question, if this word is encoded as this type, some pattern is hidden between that coding encoding. Okay, अगर क्वेश्चन के लिए डोमेस्टिक लिखा जा रहा है तो रिस्पॉन्स के लिए क्या होगा, यहाँ सिर्फ चेक किया जाता है कि difference between these alphabets or whatever the pattern is used, plus minus using alphabet series. Now here is simple. E के लिए यहाँ क्या लिखा जा रहा है, m. S के लिए क्या लिखा जा रहा है E. Then here O के लिए I, N के लिए C. Okay, why these are required? Because these words like E, S, O, N are also in here. E, S, O, N, S, E. Okay, just we have to put here is what question के लिए E के लिए M, S के लिए E, O, I, N, C. just replace here E के लिए M, S, E, O, I, N, C, S, E, E, M. यहाँ 2 बचे। ओके, 2 लेटर्स ऐसे है उसके लिए कुछ भी नहीं है, लेकिन इन लेटर्स को हम यहाँ चेक करेंगे कि वो कौन से ऑप्शन में प्रेजेंट है। यहाँ एम ई, ओके एम ई तो सब में है, ICEM, ICEM, here is option C, ME, ICEM. So जो बचे हुए लेटर्स है वो क्या है, OS. So option C is correct for question number 8. It is very simple, just we have to identify the hidden pattern between the encoding. Question number 9. If the series is given to us is continued in the same pattern, which one of the following is not a term of this series? अगर जो सीरीज दी गई है उसको हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू द हिडन पैटर्न, देन विच नंबर इज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर दिस सीरीज। ओके, नाउ हियर 4 + 1 is 5, +3 8, +5 13, again 13 + 1 14, +3 17, +5 22. Means what? Every time 1 3 5 are added, again 1 3 5. Next for 22, +1 23, +3 26, +5 31. ओके, अगर इसी जो सीरीज है उसको हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे तो 31 + 1 दैट इज 32, +3 दैट इज 35, +5 दैट इज 40. मीन्स 31 पॉसिबल है, 32 पॉसिबल है और 35 पॉसिबल है. मीन्स 32, 31 and 35 are possible, but 33 is not possible. Why? 31 + 1 is 32, +3 is 35. Means 33 is not possible. So according to this, which is not a term for this series, so option C is correct here. That is 33. Okay. Next question, question number 10. Series is given to us, alphabetical series. This is number series, this is alphabetical series. Just identify the hidden pattern. Here BB means simultaneously, this is repeated letters, this is reverse order. Okay, again this is repeated reverse order, LM repeated means here is reverse order. यहाँ क्या लिखा जा रहा है कि B, it is also considered reverse order. Okay, then B, next क्या है EF, CD, EF reverse order. Again यहाँ क्या आएगा repeated. Okay, I, EF, GH, I. Okay, next is different terms reverse order. So here I, J, K, L, M. Next repeated words, here L, M, N, O, P, P. Next will be different letters. Okay, so here different letters reverse order. So P, Q, R, S, T means option 1 is correct here. TS. Okay, here is TS. Very simple, just identify. Here same letters. Next here different letters but in reverse order. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Okay, like this N, O, P, P. Then Q, R, S, T, reverse order. So option 1 is correct for question number 10. Question number 11. A man started walking. Okay, this is a direction based question. Okay, if this type of the questions will be asked in exam, just write here direction. What is here? East, west, south, and here is north. Okay, a man started walking from his house towards south. Okay, towards south means what? Consider here is the man's house. Towards south means this direction. Okay, this direction. After walking 6 kilometers, okay, he turned to his left. This is 6 kilometers and turned to left. This is left direction and walked 5 kilometers. This is 5 kilometers. After turning to left, then he walked further 3 kilometers after turning left. Again left and 3 kilometers. Next is what? He then turned to his left. Okay, this is left direction and continued his walk for 9 kilometers. 9 kilometers means what? If this is 5, this is also 5. Okay, then total 9 means this is 4. Here is the 9 kilometers. How far he is away from house? Okay, this is house, this is last location. Then we have to find this distance. Okay, now according to this figure, just represent this information in this format. South direction, then left 5 kilometers, left 3 kilometers, again left 9 kilometers. 5 plus 4, 9 kilometers. अब हमें क्या करना है कि ये डिस्टेंस फाइंड करना है, डिस्टेंस बिटवीन हाउस एंड लास्ट पॉइंट. हाउ टू फाइंड दिस डिस्टेंस? अकॉर्डिंग टू द फॉर्मूला एक्स स्क्वेयर इज इक्वल टू फर्स्ट साइड स्क्वेयर, सेकंड साइड स्क्वेयर. फर्स्ट साइड इज व्हाट? 4 square plus what is this distance? If this is total is 6. Okay, if this is 3, this is also 3, remaining is 3, means this distance is what? 3 kilometers, that is 3 square. Just using this formula, x square is equals to 4 square is 16 plus 3 square is 9, total is 25. That is, if x square is equals to 25, x will be 5 kilometers. It's very simple, just use direction based pictorial format. So option C is correct here for question number 11. Question number 12. One writes all the numbers from 50 to 99 without the digits 2 and 7. How many numbers have been written? According to the given information, we have to write the numbers without digits 2 and 7. So we have to find how many numbers are possible with 2 and 7. Here 50 to 59, 2 numbers, that is 52 and 57. Okay, so here is 2. Next, for 60 to 69, how many numbers? 62 and 67, that is 2. Next, 70 to 79, here how many numbers are possible? Which contains only 7, that is 70. Contains 7 and 2, that is 72. Second set. Then 77, which contains both the 7s and other all the numbers containing only 7, that is 73, 74, 75, 76, 78 and 79, that is 4 set. Okay, so in between there are 4 sets containing 7 and 2. Now 82, 89, 2 possible, 82 and 87, and here also 92, 97. So just multiply 2 into 4 times, okay, means what is here 8 into this 4, it is equals to 32. So option A is correct here for question number 12. Means how many numbers are possible without the digits 2 and 7, but we have to count possible numbers with 2 and 7. So option 1 is correct here, 32. Question number 13. If a large diamond is cut up into little bits, it will lose its value just as an, okay, army is divided up into small units of soldiers, it loses its strength. The argument put above may be called as. Now here two statements are connected using just as and, means comparison is done between these two statements, first statement and this second statement, army statement, and here is the diamond statement. Now two statements are compared. Comparison is done between these two statements. This type of the arguments are nothing but analogical arguments. So option A is correct here. For question number 14, given below are some characteristics of logical arguments. Select the code which explains the characteristics which is not a inductive. Means here we have to find deductive statement. Okay. Firstly, we have to understand what is deductive and what is inductive. What is inductive? If information is drawn from premises, means specific to general, okay, and in deductive what? General to specific. Specific means what? Inductive में क्या होता है? If A is smart, B is smart, then all students are smart. Means conclusion is drawn from its premises. What are the premises here? A is smart, B is smart are the premises, and we draw the conclusions all students are smart. In deductive means what? General to specific. What is general here? All the students are smart. Now specific, from this statement all the students are smart, we can say that student A is smart and student B is smart. Means this is opposite of each other. In inductive, the conclusion is claimed to follow from its premises. So first is correct as inductive. The conclusion is based on causal relation. Causal relation means what? All the times okay, without even thinking about it. Means अगर A B smart है means all students are smart. Okay, that is causal relation. Then fourth is the conclusion is based on observation and experiment. Observation means what? हम observe करते हैं whatever the characteristics between the students, and according to that we make some statement. That is called as a conclusion is based on observation and experiment. So it is also inductive in nature. But the conclusion conclusively follows from its premises. Conclusively follows from its premises means what? Conclusively follows from its premises, that is it is deductive in nature. So option C is correct here. Conclusion से premises बना जा रहा है. Conclusively follows from its premises. अगर सभी बच्चे smart है तो A भी smart है and B भी smart है. Means conclusively from conclusion premises are given here. So option C is correct, which is not inductive, means deductive in nature. Question number 15 here. If two propositions having the same subject and predicate can both be true but cannot both be false. Okay. Same subject and predicate terms can both be true but can not both be false. The relation between those two propositions is called as. Now, according to the square and opposition, this is all, no, some and some not. In this between it is called as a contrary, which can both be false but cannot be true. This is called as a sub-contrary, which can both be true but cannot both be false. And for this, okay, it is called as a sub-contrary, it is called as a contrary. Here, both can be true but cannot be false. Okay, so option C is correct here, sub-contrary. Question number 16. We have given here two premises. According to the premises, we have to check here the conclusions, which conclusions should be true. Here all dogs are mammals. Okay, all dogs are mammals. Next is no cat are dogs, means here is cat, there is no relationship between this cat and dog. No cats are dog. First statement, no cats are mammals. Now it is not clear here whether the cat belongs to mammals or not, so we cannot do here. Some cats are mammal. This is also here, cats are belongs to mammals or not, it is not clear here, so second is also false. No dogs are cats. If no cats are dog, then it is true, no dogs are cat. Next, no dogs are non-mammals. All dogs are mammals, means what? No dogs are non-mammals, means no dogs are outside the mammals. So option 4 is, statement 4 is also correct here. So option C is correct here, 3 and 4. Next question, given below is a diagram of 3 circles. Okay, 3 circles are given here, A, B, C, interrelated with each other. The circle A represents class of Indians, means A is Indian. B represents class of the scientist. Okay, B is scientist here. Then C represents class of the politicians, means C is politicians. Okay, according to this, P, Q, R, S represent different regions. Select the code containing the region that indicates the class of Indian scientists who are not politicians. Indian scientists who are not politicians. This is the circle, Indian scientists who are politicians. We have to check here Indian scientists who are not politicians. Means only this area, S area, which is Indian scientists which are not politicians. Okay, this part is not here. So only S part. According to this, option B is correct here. Yes, only. Okay. Next question, the acronym FTP stands for, what is FTP here? File Transfer Protocol. This FTP protocol is used when we are going to upload or download any file over the internet. Means protocol means set of rules and regulation. Okay, so FTP is File Transfer Protocol. Next question, which one of the following is not an image or graphic file format? Okay, PNG means what? Portable graphics format. So here is graphic file format. GIF, graphics interchange format, it is also here. BMP, bitmap image file, it is also here. But GUI which is nothing but graphical user interface. जब हम जो मॉनिटर की स्क्रीन पर आइकॉन्स देखते हैं, यानी फाइल्स देखते हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एप्लीकेशंस, जो आइकॉन्स हमें इजीली डिस्प्ले होते हैं, दैट इज ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस. Okay, so it is not related to the graphics file format. So option D is correct here for question number 24. Question number 26 here. When a computer is booting, BIOS is loaded to the memory by. What is computer booting process? जब हम CPU ऑन करते हैं, CPU ऑन होने के बाद और जो मेन स्क्रीन है हमारी स्टार्ट बटन, टास्क बार, टूल बार, जो स्क्रीन आती है उसमें उसके बीच में जो टाइम होता है CPU ऑन करने के बाद और मॉनिटर की मेन स्क्रीन ऑन होने से पहले जो प्रोसेस चल रहा होता है उसको बूटिंग प्रोसेस कहा जाता है. उस बूटिंग प्रोसेस के दौरान जो भी बायोस मीन्स बेसिक इनपुट आउटपुट सिस्टम जो होता है, बूटस्ट्रैप प्रोग्राम, it is loaded from the ROM to RAM memory. Our RAM is the main memory, ROM is the secondary memory. Because of the memory or limited memory by the RAM, always this BIOS is stored on the ROM when we shut down the computer. So जब बूटिंग प्रोसेस होती है तो ये BIOS जो होता है वो ROM से RAM में लोड किया जाता है. That is when a computer is booting, BIOS is loaded to the memory by ROM. Okay, so option B is correct here. Next question, which one of the following is not the same as other three? Okay, MAC address means media access control, hardware address, physical address, IP address. Okay, जो हमारा इंटरनेट होता है उस पर 7 लेयर यूज किए जाते हैं नेटवर्क थ्रू. फिजिकल लेयर, डेटा लिंक लेयर, नेटवर्क लेयर, ट्रांसपोर्ट लेयर, सेशन लेयर, एप्लीकेशन एंड प्रेजेंटेशन लेयर. Okay, in that layers there are different address are used. Now this MAC address, hardware address, physical address, these three are equal. These are assigned to the nodes or computers on our network. These are the equal names. But IP address is used on a network layer to transfer the files from physical layers, data link layers to the application layer or transport layer. So IP address is different. That is Internet Protocol address. These are the network computer addresses. Okay, so option D is correct here. Next question, identify the IP address from the following. What is IP address format? IP address limit is up to 255.255.255.255. This dot is nothing called as a period symbol. Okay. Now, if any IP address is in the format of this up to 255 and period symbol. Okay. Here period symbols are present, but this 300 is greater than 255. So it is not correct. Here period symbol is not, so it is not correct. Also it is greater than 255. Next 202, but here dash is used, so it is not correct. Here period symbol is used. Again every number is less than 255, so option C is correct here. Just check period symbol, that is dot between, and जो भी नंबर होता है वो 255 तक ही होना चाहिए. जो आईपी एड्रेस का रेंज होता है वो 0 to 255 होता है. सो ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट हियर अकॉर्डिंग टू द आईपी फॉर्मेट. Which of the following cities have been worst affected by urban smog in recent times? This question paper is of 2014 year. So according to that years, okay, answer D is correct here. Beijing, which is worst affected by urban smog in recent times. Next question, the primary source of organic pollution in freshwater bodies is. Now, these options are all runoff urban areas, runoff from agriculture farms, sewage influence, industrial influence. These are all the sources of organic pollution in fresh water. But primary source is what? Sewage influence. Sewage means maljal. Okay. So option C is correct here. Sewage influence. Next question. Lahar is a natural disaster involving. Okay. What is lahar? Lahar is nothing but the Indonesian term. Okay. It is also called as a tarang. Hot or cold mixture of the water and rock fragments that flows down the slopes of a volcano and typically enters a river valley. It is called as a lahar. Volcano means it is same as the ज्वालामुखी. जो ज्वालामुखी होते हैं मीन्स व्हाट, जो हॉट एंड कोल्ड मिक्सचर ऑफ वाटर होता है और रॉक फ्रैगमेंट्स होते हैं वो जो धरती है उसके ऊपर आ जाते हैं. दैट इज type of the lahar, eruption of large amount of material. Option A is correct here. It is not a strong winds or water waves or winds and water waves. It is nothing but the large amount of material is okay flows down on the slope of a volcano. Option A is correct here. Question number 33. In order to avoid catastrophic consequences of climate change, there is general agreement among the countries of the world to limit the rise in average surface temperature of Earth compared to that of the pre-industrial times by. So according to the 2014, option A is correct here, which will be not needed here, okay, in 2021. Next question, the National Disaster Management Authority functions under Union Ministry of. Okay, what is National Disaster Management? Means what? It is a continuous and integrated process of planning, organizing, coordinating and implementing measures which are necessary to prevent of danger. अगर कोई डेंजर ऑकर होता है तो उससे बचने के लिए जो प्लानिंग ऑर्गेनाइजिंग ऑफ मेजर्स किया जाता है, दैट इज नेशनल डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट. दिस ऑथोरिटी फंक्शंस अंडर विच यूनियन मिनिस्ट्री, दैट इज होम अफेयर्स. ओके, सो ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट हियर. Next, match list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answers. Okay, so first is what? Lack of rainfall of sufficient duration. Lack of rainfall means drought. Okay, so B के लिए क्या होगा? 1. Next, tremors produced by the passage of vibratory waves through the rocks of the earth. 2 is correct for earthquake. Means जो भी अर्थक्वेक होता है उसके दौरान क्या होता है, जो रॉक्स होते हैं अर्थ के उसके क्या होता है, वाइब्रेटरी वेव्स. वाइब्रेटरी वेव्स मीन्स हमारी जो धरती है वो हिल जाती है, दैट इज अर्थक्वेक. नेक्स्ट इज अ वेंट थ्रू विच मोल्टेड सब्सटेंसेस कम आउट, मीन्स ज्वालामुखी. इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज ए वोल्केनो. डी. ओके, जो डी के लिए होगा वो 3 होगा. दिस जो सी है उसके लिए 2 होगा. नेक्स्ट ड्राफ्ट के लिए क्या था, बी के लिए 1. देन फ्लड, एक्सेस रेन एंड अनइवन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ वाटर, जो बाढ़ आती है. ओके, दैट इज 4, A4. सो ऑप्शन A is correct here. A4, B1, C2 and D3. Next question. Which one of the following greenhouse gases has the shortest residence times in the atmosphere? Okay. हर एक ग्रीन हाउस गैस के लिए रेसिडेंस टाइम होता है इन द एनवायरमेंट एटमॉस्फेयर. हियर फॉर क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन residence time is greater than 45 years. For carbon dioxide, it is in the multiple of 100 years. Methane 8 to 10 years. Nitrous oxide 121 years. Okay. So according to this, methane has the shortest residence time in the atmosphere. Okay. And the longest residence time has carbon dioxide and shortest is methane. So according to this shortest residence time, methane is correct here. Question for option C. Next question. Who among the following is the facto executive head of the planning communication? This is the static general knowledge, so we will discuss this. Who among the following is the de facto executive head of the planning commission? Option B is correct here, deputy chairman. Next, education as a subject of legislation figures in the. So there are different lists in legislation. So education is concluded in concurrent list. According to the 42nd Amendment Act of 1976, concurrent list contains 52 items. In that 52, education is also present. And others are criminal law, etc. Option C is correct here. Concurrent list, education. Next question. Which of the following are central universities? Here, first three, that is Pondicherry University, Vishwa Bharati, Garhwal University. These three universities are central universities. But Kurukshetra University is not a central university, so option A is correct here. 1, 2, 3. Next question. Consider the statement which is followed by two arguments. Okay, statement is given here. India should have very strong and powerful Lokpal. Okay, arguments. Yes, it will go a long in eliminating corruption in bureaucracy. Okay. No, it will discourage honest officers from making quick decisions. We have to choose here which is strong statement here. If India should have a very strong and powerful Lokpal, yes, it will go along in eliminating corruption in bureaucracy. This is strong statement. But no, it will discourage honest officers from making quick decisions. It's not a strong. Okay, so option 1 is correct only. Argument 1 is strong because it will go along in eliminating corruption in bureaucracy. So option A is correct here. Next question. Which of the following universities had adopted the Meta University concept? What is Meta University? Universities of university. This is nothing but दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी. ओके, जो दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी होती है उसने मेटा यूनिवर्सिटी का कंसेप्ट एडॉप्ट किया है. ओके, मीन्स जो बाकी यूनिवर्सिटीज है उसको हैंडल कर सकती है. दैट इज मेटा यूनिवर्सिटी. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट हियर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर करेक्ट अबाउट सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटीज? What is Central University? It is established under Act of Parliament. It is right. President of India acts as the visitor of the university. It is also correct. The President has the power to nominate some members to the Executive Committee or the Board of Management of the university. It is also correct. Okay. Next, the President occasionally presides over the meeting of the Executive Committee of the Court. It is incorrect. Option C is correct here. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. It is according to the Act of Parliament. President is the visitor of the university, Central University, and third is also correct here. But President occasionally presides over means राष्ट्रपति कभी कभार कार्यकारिणी समिति या कोर्ट की बैठकों को अध्यक्षता करते हैं. It is incorrect here. So option C is correct here. 1, 2, 3. Next question. Which one of the following is considered as a sign of motivated teaching? Motivated teaching means what? जो अभिप्रेरित शिक्षण का संकेत माना जाता है वो किसे माना जाता है? फर्स्ट, स्टूडेंट आस्किंग क्वेश्चन. ओके, जब हम कोई जो पॉइंट पढ़ा रहे हैं और स्टूडेंट हमें क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं, इस स्टूडेंट को कुछ तो कुछ समझ में आ रहा है या उसमें इंटरेस्ट बढ़ रहा है. ओके, इट इज पॉजिटिव हियर. मैक्सिमम अटेंडेंस ऑफ द स्टूडेंट. If there are maximum students are present during the classroom lecture, it is motivated. Yes, it should be motivated, but it is not a positive, correct positive sign. जब बच्चे प्रेजेंट है इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो इंटरेस्टेड हो पा रहे हैं. ओके. नेक्स्ट, पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस इन द क्लासरूम. अगर सभी चुपचाप है मतलब दो बातें होती है, या तो उसको सारी बातें समझ में आ रही है या कुछ में समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. ओके, स्टूडेंट्स टेकिंग नोट्स, सिर्फ नोट्स ले रहे हैं, क्या उनको कुछ समझ में आ रहा है? ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट हियर. स्टूडेंट आस्किंग क्वेश्चन मीन्स स्टूडेंट्स क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं, टीचर उसको आंसर कर रहे हैं, मीन्स दोनों तरफ से इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन हो रहा है. ओके, सो ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट हियर फॉर मोटिवेटेड टीचिंग. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द बेस्ट मेथड ऑफ टीचिंग? ओके, लेक्चर, डिस्कशन, डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन एंड नरेशन. ओके, लेक्चर मीन्स व्हाट? सिर्फ टीचर लेक्चर दे रहे हैं. डिस्कशन बिटवीन स्टूडेंट एंड टीचर. डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन मीन्स कुछ तो डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन करके टीचर स्टूडेंट को समझा रहे हैं. दैट इज दिस इज द बेस्ट मेथड. ओके, समझा रहे हैं मतलब स्टूडेंट भी समझ रहे हैं, उनको भी इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है. इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन इज डन बिटवीन दिस डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन मेथड. ओके, सो ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट हियर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, dyslexia is associated with. What is this? It occurs in a children with normal vision and intelligence. Okay, it is the reading disorder which occurred in students or children. Okay, dyslexia means reading disorder. Option C is correct here. Next, the e-content generation for undergraduate courses. Okay, for undergraduate courses has been assigned by the Ministry of HRD means Human Resource Department to. Okay, is Information Library Network, Consortium for Educational Communication, National Knowledge Commission, Indira Gandhi National Open University. This is university. Okay, here option B is correct here. Consortium for Educational Communication. Okay, this department has to be assigned a e-content generation for the undergraduate courses. Okay, by the HRD development, Human Resource Development. Consortium for Educational Communication, that is option B. Next question, classroom communication is normally considered as. What is classroom communication? It should be effective, cognitive, affective or selective. Okay, according to this year 2014, NTA given the answer affective. Okay, what is cognitive here? Answer is cognitive. Cognitive means it focus on intellectual skills such as क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग, क्रिएटिंग ए नॉलेज बेस. मीन्स जो क्लासरूम में कम्युनिकेशन होता है वहाँ स्किल्स बढ़ते हैं, क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग होती है, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होते हैं, बिटवीन इंटरेक्शन बिटवीन स्टूडेंट एंड टीचर होता है. सो ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट हियर. बाय NTA ऑप्शन सी इज गिवन हियर. ओके, अफेक्टिव. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग प्रोपाउंडेड द कंसेप्ट ऑफ पैराडिगम? ओके, प्रोपाउंडेड द कंसेप्ट ऑफ पैराडिगम इज नथिंग बट Thomas Cohen. Okay, option C is correct here for this question. Concept of paradigm. Next question, in a thesis, figures and tables are included in. Okay, what is thesis? Thesis is nothing but the research writing. Okay, in that figures and tables are included in what? Text itself. Okay, appendix is there, separate chapter, concluding chapter, but option D is correct here. Text itself. Figures and tables are included in text itself. Next, a research approach of Max Weber. Okay, research approach of Max Weber to understand how people create meanings in natural setting. Okay, is identified as. Okay, what is natural setting? Natural setting means interpretation there. Interpretive paradigm is there. और जो नेचुरल नहीं होती उसे क्या कहा जाता है? साइंटिफिक. ओके, जो पहले से तय है, दैट इज साइंटिफिक इन नेचर, एंड नेचुरल it is interpretive in nature. Interpretive paradigm. Option D is correct here. Next, which one of the following is non-probability sampling? Okay, जो सैम्पलिंग टेक्निक होती है वो दो टाइप की होती है, प्रोबेबिलिटी सैम्पलिंग एंड नॉन प्रोबेबिलिटी सैम्पलिंग. ओके, जो प्रोबेबिलिटी सैम्पलिंग के टाइप होते हैं वो होते हैं सिंपल रैंडम सैम्पलिंग, सिस्टमैटिक सैम्पलिंग, स्ट्रैटिफाइड सैम्पलिंग. जो नॉन प्रोबेबिलिटी होते हैं परपोजिव, कोटा सैम्पलिंग एक्सेट्रा. ओके, so option B is correct here, which is non-probability sampling. Others are probability sampling techniques. Next question, identify the category of evaluation that assesses the learning progress to provide continuous feedback to the students. Okay, during the instruction, जब क्लासरूम में टीचर पढ़ा रहे होते हैं, जब स्टूडेंट्स कोई क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं तो टीचर उनको फीडबैक देते हैं, कंटिन्यूस फीडबैक टू द स्टूडेंट्स. means it is happened during the lecture. Okay, it is nothing but formative assessment और formative evaluation. जो placement evaluation होता है means what interview और जो questioning होती है वो. Diagnostic means identifying the strength or weakness of the student, and summative means it is the exam marks. Okay, at the last remarks are given for the student, that is summative evaluation. Formative evaluation means during the classroom between teacher and student. Option C is correct here. Next, the research stream of the immediate application is. Okay, जो रिसर्च होता है जो इमीडिएटली अप्लाई किया जाता है दैट इज एक्शन रिसर्च. अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना है और उसको इमीडिएटली स्टार्ट करना है तो एक्शन रिसर्च का यूज होता है. सो ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट हियर. Next is English passage is given to us here. Okay, according to the passage we have to solve following 5 questions. Just read this passage by stopping video. वीडियो को स्टॉप करिए, पैसेज को पढ़िए या जो क्वेश्चन पूछे जा रहे हैं उसको पढ़ने के बाद पैसेज को रीड करें. ये दोनों ऑप्शन है आपके लिए. पहले पैसेज को पढ़ो देन क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो, और क्वेश्चन को पढ़ो और क्वेश्चन पढ़ने के बाद उस क्वेश्चन की जो वर्ड्स है उसको पैसेज में ढूंढो. ये दोनों ऑप्शन यूज करके हम इसके आंसर दे सकते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू द पैसेज फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हियर. Which of the following is a special feature of Indian state? Okay. Now special feature of Indian state is what? The Indian state special feature is the peaceful or perhaps mostly peaceful coexistence of the social groups of various historical provinces. Means option B is correct here for this. Peaceful coexistence of social groups of different historical provinces attached to each other in a geographical, economical and political issue. So option B is correct here for question number 1. Next is question number 2. The author used the word state to highlight. Okay. What is state here? The meaning of the state is nothing but. Here is the meaning. According to this passage, okay, there was no such thing as a conflict between Indian and the individual state. Means according to this statement, option B is correct here. Absence of conflict between the state and the individual up to the point in time, that is state. State के लिए जो हाईलाइट की गई है लाइन वो ए है, ऑप्शन बी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच वन इज द peculiar feature of the modern Indian secularism? Okay, for this question here is the answer. Okay, fair distribution of attention and support among all the religions, that is secularism. Okay, fair distribution of attention and support among all the religion. So according to this it should be made fair distribution. Means secularism, no discrimination on religious consideration. Option A is correct here. Next, the basic construction of Thomas More's Utopia was inspired by. So for this question, Indian tradition of religion tolerance is correct here, as per the given in this passage. Okay, for this year, here is the line. These blessed aspects of Indian famed tolerance. Okay, so here is the answer for that question 59. Now, last is what is the striking feature of modern India? Now, for this question, striking feature means what? It is here. Absence of biography and institutionalized explanation of human or natural resources. So, for this, it is a features. So, option D is correct here. Absence of biography. Okay. Next questions are depending upon the data interpretation. Okay, here is the data interpretation table is given. Read the following table carefully. Based upon this table, answer the questions from 18 to 22. Okay, net area under irrigation by sources in a country in the format of 1000 hectares. Okay, net areas are described here. 1000 hectares information is stored in the format of numbers here from 1997-98 to 2005 to 6. Okay. According to this, first question is which of the following sources of irrigation has registered the largest percentage of decline in net area under irrigation during 1997 to 1998 and 2005 to 2006? Means what? We have to find largest percentage of decline. Largest percentage of decline means what? How to find 1997-98, these 2 years, okay? Means this value, okay, for first government canals, this value minus this value divided by this value. Means for this year value means 15268 minus this value divided by this value into 100. According to this means next value minus previous value divided by previous value into 100. According to this, the percentage of decline for government canal is 10.8. For private canals, 207 minus 211 upon 211 into 100, it is minus 1.8. For tanks, it is minus 21.5, and for other sources it is 13.5. Just this year value for this minus this divided by previous into 100. According to this, it is the maximum negative year, and we have to find decline in net area. Means maximum negative value is for tanks. So option C is correct here, largest percentage of decline. Next, question number 19. Find out the sources of irrigation that has registered the maximum improvement in terms of percentage of net irrigated area during 2002-3 and 2003-4. Okay. Means here we have to find maximum improvement. जो भी परसेंटेज इंक्रीमेंट हो रहा है उसमें जो मैक्सिमम है वो, और किन ईयर्स के बीच है 2 to 3 एंड 3 to 4. मीन्स ईयर 2 to 3, 3 to 4. जब हमने यहाँ सॉल्व किया था दिस ईयर वैल्यू माइनस दिस डिवाइडेड बाय दिस वैल्यू इनटू 100. सेम लाइक दैट फॉर 2003. ओके, फर्स्ट इज व्हाट? गवर्नमेंट कैनल्स. फॉर गवर्नमेंट कैनल्स हाउ टू सॉल्व इट for these 2 years, okay, 2 to 3 and 3 to 4, okay. This value minus this value divided by this previous value into 100, okay. Just solve according to this. 14,444 minus 13,863 divided by 13,863 into 100. According to this, next we have to find for tanks these two values, then two wells and other wells, then other resources, okay, sources. After solving this, the increment in percentage or whatever the maximum improvement is done for government canals is 4.02, for tanks 5.55 percentage, tube wells and other wells are 4.27 percentage, other resources 40.5 percentage. Here other sources have the maximum improvement, okay, and we have to find maximum improvement. Means next minus previous divided by previous value into 100. Just use this formula for both this and this question, okay, very simple. According to year, take next, okay, next means this year, previous means this year value divided by previous value into 100. Very simple, just practice questions. Next, in which of the following years net irrigation by the tanks increase at the highest rate? We have to find highest rate for the tank. Okay, how to find this? Just see here. In the option 1998 and 99 we have to check. For this tank 2593 divided by this total value. Okay, means here tank value minus divided by total value into 100. 2593 divided by 55,173 into 100. According to these, for 1998 to 99 value is 7.67. Here is minus 3.39. Then 5.88 and here is 17.77. Okay, so highest rate is for what? 2005 to 6. Just use the formula here. ओके, टैंक वैल्यू जो टैंक की वैल्यू है डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल इनटू 100. जो टैंक की वैल्यू दी गई है अकॉर्डिंग टू द ईयर डिवाइडेड बाय द टोटल फॉर दैट ईयर इनटू 100. ओके, सो फाइंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द ईयर्स and maximum or highest rate is year 17.7. Next, identify the source of irrigation that has recorded the maximum incidence of the negative growth in terms of net irrigated area during the years given in the table. Here, what is the question? Negative growth in terms of net irrigated area. Okay, जो भी एरियाज गिवन है, गवर्नमेंट एरियाज, प्राइवेट कैनल्स, ट्यूबवेल्स, अदर रिसोर्सेज, अदर सोर्सेज, ओके, वी हैव टू चेक हु हैज रिकॉर्डेड मैक्सिमम इंसिडेंस निगेटिव ग्रोथ। जो भी वैल्यूज दी गई है इन 1000 हेक्टर्स, किसके लिए मोस्ट निगेटिव ग्रोथ है। हियर फर्स्ट गवर्नमेंट कैनल्स, फर्स्ट वैल्यूज आर 17,000, 16,000, 15,000, 15, 13, 14, 14, 15, means these values are maximum negative, okay. First increment 17, 17, then decrementing up to 14, 15. Next, second option is private canals. Now private canals here 211 up to 2,207. It is fluctuating, okay. Next is tube wells and other wells, okay. Here also values are fluctuating, 32, 33, 33. Here is 34, 35. And last is other sources, that is here also are fluctuating, means decrementing, again incrementing, and also incrementing here 7,000, 7,000. But for the government canals, here is the maximum negative growth, okay. First 17, then 15, 13, 14, 14, 15, means in negative, it is decrementing, okay. So here option government canal is correct here, maximum negative growth. Option A is correct here, okay, maximum negative growth. Next question, in which of the following years share of the tube wells and other wells in the total net irrigated area was highest? According to this, just use the formula like this, okay. Whatever the value for the tube wells in 1998-99 divided by total for that year into 100, okay. Tube wells and other wells, okay, for that in 1998-99, just find according to 33,988 divided by this total value into 100. Just find for other years, 2001, 01, then 2002, 3, next is 2004, 5. This value divided by this total value into 100. According to these, values are 59.2%, 61.3%, 63.6%, and 59.09%. So option C is correct here. What is here? Highest. They have asked highest. So 2002 to 3 years. Option C is correct here for question number 22. We have almost all the questions we have discussed here according to the 2014 year. Okay. So if anyone have a query regarding this explanation, just comment me.